How do I know it's time to sell my business? So there's a lot of technical reasons as to when is the perfect time to sell your business, right? So I could give you a ton of them. Here are some that I just took some notes on. You're lacking motivation, the company's stagnant, maybe you're losing market share, maybe the technology is getting to a point where you don't want to go back and relearn everything. But let me tell you, in my own experience, right? You know when it's time to sell your business when you're not the best shepherd of your business. The best shepherd of your business, the best shepherd for your employees, the best shepherd of your customers. I can tell you when I sold my business about a year ago, I knew it for months that I just wasn't as motivated and I wasn't the best operator for my business. I had employees and managers that would come to me and say, hey, let's go into this market and let's expand into that market and let's add these product lines. And I would congratulate them on the great ideas and then I would do nothing about it. And then when I would be driving in my car, I would start thinking about it. Hey, am I the best operators for this business? And that is the best tip that I can give you. And when you get that feeling that, hey, I'm not the best shepherd of my company for my employees to give them opportunities to continue to grow and my customers, then it's probably time that you exit your business. So if any of this resonates with you, I'd be happy to jump on a call and talk about whatever is on your mind. Look forward to connecting.